Good afternoon, Year 8. So today we're just going to go on with our geometry. Everything I've written here is a reason you can use in geometry. So the first one, this reason is the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees, which I'm sure you already know, but that's the reason you would quote if you're using it in geometry. So if we look at a triangle, the angles inside the triangle, there's 3 of them. These angles all add up to 180 degrees. So I could say A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. All right, over here, now this one, a lot of boys don't particularly like using this very much, but if you do know how to use it, it will cut some of the time down in your exam when you're doing it. So an exterior angle in a triangle, when you've got a triangle, if you extend one of the sides, or if the question has got one of the sides extended, like this one has, you form an angle outside the triangle, right? So exterior means outside. So what this rule is saying is that that exterior angle of the triangle equals the sum of the 2 interior opposite angles. So this angle here is the adjacent angle, it's next to it. So we're not talking about that one, not the one next to it. It's these 2 over here that are inside the triangle, interior, and opposite. Okay, so that's what they're trying to tell you. So E, that angle there, would equal this one plus this one, A plus B. Okay, the angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So again, you quote that reason if you're using it. So here's a quadrilateral. Quad means 4, lateral means sides. So we have a 4-sided shape. The 4 angles inside the quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So we have A plus B plus C plus D equals 360. So we're going to go through some examples. I'll just do one now and the rest in the next video. The main thing I want you to see here is we're finding the value of each pronumeral, which you know is letter, and we're giving reasons for it. Okay, so in this first question, it's a fairly easy one. They've given you a triangle. You've got 2 of the angles inside the triangle and you're looking for the 3rd one. I'll just turn this around a little bit so you can see it all. Okay, so to find that angle, we know that the angles in the triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we're going to start with our 180, take off the 50, take off the 85. You can do that really quickly on your calculator to get 45 degrees. But in this line here, where you introduce the 180, you have to explain where that came from, because lots of things in geometry equal 180. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. Co-interior angles add up to 180. So you've got to explain where that came from. So you say the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. That's where it came from. Okay, so the line where you introduce the 180 is the line where you write your reason in brackets next to it. I know you're in a column and it's not a lot of room, but just do what I've done to fit it in. Okay, and then down here underneath, write your answer down. In the next video, we'll go through some more examples.